Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your nighttime outlook for the Day 1 severe weather outlook. Apparently the Storm Prediction Center has made a rare nighttime upgrade, so yeah, there's been a rare nighttime upgrade from the Storm Prediction Center, so yeah, so that's the reason I'm doing this video. So first off, so the slice in the marginal up here did get trimmed down. However, the Storm Prediction Center, as of the late evening update, has added a enhanced risk area for tonight. There is now an enhanced risk area for severe weather, okay? Cities in tonight's enhanced include South Central Kansas and parts of Central and Northwestern Oklahoma. So, cities in tonight's enhanced include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Norman, Oklahoma, Edmond, Oklahoma, Midwest City, Oklahoma, and Moore, Oklahoma. But other areas remain fine, so cities in tonight's slate include Indianapolis, Indiana, Tulsa, Oklahoma, St. Louis, Missouri, Cincinnati, Ohio, and Louisville, Kentucky. And the marginal tonight includes Memphis, Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee, Wichita, Kansas, Little Rock, Arkansas, and Dayton, Ohio. So, one of the main developments was to add the enhanced for tonight, so that's really the main change. So, going to tonight's tornado threat. So, still remain a tornado threat, but, it pretty much remains the same for the large part. So, but everything over here got trimmed down over here. So, yeah. So there still remains the 5% tornado risk over here for tonight, and the 2%. So, yeah. And there's still a black dashed area. There is still a black dashed area, meaning the highest potential for EF2 tornadoes are stronger tonight. So, this is going to go throughout tonight. So, yeah. So, if you're within the black dashed area, you have the highest potential for the EF2 tornadoes are stronger tonight. Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly EF0, maybe EF1. Okay? Cities in tonight's black dashed area include Louisville, Kentucky, Evansville, Indiana, Owensboro, Kentucky, Columbus, Indiana, and New Albany, Indiana. Cities in the 5% tornado risk tonight include Indianapolis, Indiana, St. Louis, Missouri, Louisville, Kentucky, Evansville, Indiana, and Bloomington, Indiana. And the 2% tonight includes Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Cincinnati, Ohio, Lexington, Fayette, Kentucky, and Dayton, Ohio. So going to the wind threat to see if that changed. So one of the main developments was to add a 30% wind risk area for tonight. So pretty much in line with the enhanced risk. So the 30% wind risk area tonight includes parts of South Central Kansas and Northwestern and Central Oklahoma. Cities in the 30% wind risk area tonight include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Edmond, Oklahoma, Midwest City, Oklahoma, and Moore, Oklahoma. And we still have the 15% and the 5% wind risk areas for tonight. So the yellow is the 15% and the brown is the 5%. And we still have this black dashed area here. Black dash meaning the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts reaching or exceeding 74 miles per hour today. Alright? The black dash meaning the highest potential for hurricane force thunderstorm wind gusts to reach or exceed 74 miles per hour tonight. So, yeah. Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts from thunderstorms. Cities in the black dashed area tonight include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Norman, Oklahoma, Lawton, Oklahoma, and Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. The 30% wind risk tonight includes Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Norman, Oklahoma, Edmond, Oklahoma, Midwest City, Oklahoma, and Moore, Oklahoma. The 15% wind risk area tonight includes Indianapolis, Indiana, Tulsa, Oklahoma, St. Louis, Missouri, Cincinnati, Ohio, and Louisville, Kentucky. And the 5% wind risk tonight includes Memphis, Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee, Wichita, Kansas, Little Rock, Arkansas, and Dayton, Ohio. So, going to the hail threat, see if that changed. There is really no upgrades with the hail risk. There's really no upgrades with the hail risk, so I'm not going to go over that. Well, actually, I do want to mention it, actually. So, We still have the yellow area, meaning the yellow meaning the 15% hail risk for tonight, and the brown is the 5% hail risk for tonight. And the black dashed area is the highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger. All right, the black dash means 2-inch hail or larger tonight. So areas outside the black dashed area are mainly 1 to 1.5 inches in diameter hail. Shades in the black dashed area tonight include Tulsa, Oklahoma, Edmond, Oklahoma, Enid, Oklahoma, Stillwater, Oklahoma, and Bartlesville, Oklahoma. The 15% hail risk tonight includes Tulsa, Oklahoma, Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, Edmond, Oklahoma, Joplin, Missouri, and Enid, Oklahoma. And the 5% hail risk tonight includes Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, Springfield, Missouri, Evansville, Indiana, and Norman, Oklahoma. So, in summary, tornadoes, possibly strong and damaging winds, remain possible this evening into parts of the Mississippi and Ohio valleys. A swath of severe gusts, possibly greater than 75 miles per hour, appears possible later tonight from southwest Kansas into central Oklahoma. So, that is your day one outlook update for tonight. So, apparently, Storm Prediction Center couldn't resist, making an upgrade for tonight. This late, really. So, stay safe in the affected areas tonight. Stay safe in the affected areas tonight, no matter what risk you're in. Alright? So, and before you go to bed tonight, make sure you have a way to be notified for severe weather tonight, whether it be your TV, radio, or phone, to wake you up to go to your safe spot. And if possible, sleep in your safe spot tonight to avoid having to move during the night. And make sure that safe spot is on the lowest level of the building you're in. So, stay safe tonight, and I will have my day one severe weather outlook tomorrow morning. Take care.